Hey guys, welcome back to Smart Trader. This is Dash Paul, and thank you so much for your likes, comment, share, and subscribe my channel. And if you're a new viewer, then go to our channel, watch all the videos. And if you are liking the videos, then you can go hit the subscribe button and also hit the bell icon so that you get notification. Okay, so in today's live trading video, this is recorded yesterday's video, so I'm editing today and I'm posting it right away. And I see most of the subscribers, the recent subscribers or the viewers asking, sir, how do you pick stock? Tell us, how do you pick stock? So my only question is, I think you guys are a new person because I have shown you so many strategy videos in my channel and also so many ways. This video is an example, 6 simple tricks to pick intraday stock. So there are various ways I have showed you guys how to pick a stock. So I think you guys are newcomers to this channel, so that you are not understanding why I pick a stock, where do I pick a stock, what are the time frames I trade. So you need to go and watch all the videos, or else it will be like you're joining in the middle. And in every video I can't be explaining the logic of why I picked that stock, why I picked this stock. And you need to understand the lot of ways I have showed you. You have to practice those, and these are just an experience to see how I do that. And I also tell you where I pick and what I pick. So that is covered in these type of videos which I have given you, the 6 simple tricks, and also the strategy videos. So many videos from the day one, around 190 videos which I have posted. There are a lot of ways I have told you guys. So I will be telling only in short ways, saying that I pick from here, pick from there. So you need to go and check the videos to have a better understanding, or else it will be like I cannot explain. Then I have to make a big videos of explaining each and every word in every video, every live trading video, which is not possible considering the time. So in today's live trading video, I choose the stock based on the top gainers of money control. When I say top gainer, I always don't choose stock which is in the top. I always go with the top 3 stocks or 4 stocks which has a good movement and a good graph which looks good going above. And apart from that, it had a 1 hour breakout. So the first candle, second candle had a breakout. So considering the third candle will have a breakout, that is when I took position, and finally the third candle broke, and that is when we booked our profits. So that's how I picked the stock. So it's very simple, and to understand what are those factors, then you need to go and watch all the videos. That is when you will get a better idea. So these videos are for educational purpose only, so please just learn from it and trade on your own risk. Do not take decisions based on this. This needs a lot of practice and experience. So do not waste your money. You always practice and learn. Once you're confident, take your own decision. So hope you will enjoy this video. So if you see, I've just taken a position in Balkrishna and the August future. So the highest is 198.05. That is when we have just now taken. So it has touched that mark for now. Time is 11:14, and so almost how much? 4 rupees is 0.3% of the stock. There are a few stocks in my radar, and even Gale looks good. So just waiting for the 11:15 candle, if it can break up and then give the high. So let's wait and watch. If you see just seeing if it can go up. $1,396. Currently, if you see the third candle, the 1 hour candle is looking red right now. That's the reason it has come down a bit. But if it can go positive, at least a little bit above, it's breaking the previous 1 hour candle, then definitely that is when we can achieve our target for the day. Looking at the stock, it has a potential to break. When DLF is in the process of break, I'm not sure. It has gone up, but it has not yet broken the high. So 191396.85. Nifty is in 0.04. It's dancing between plus and minus right now. If you see, just come out from the negative to positive. Anytime it can go hit the super trend and go to negative. So that is the fluctuations which you can see. We have around 1600 stocks, so 1 rupee moves we get around 1600 rupees. 4 rupees moves we get how much? 4000, 2400, 6000, around 6400 something. So let's wait and watch. So I just sold this share right now. Okay, so 1128. So for 1403. So target was 1402. That is 0.3% target. So we took around 5 rupees, and that is a profit of 8160. There is a resistance around 1406 or 1405. Once that breaks, it can go up to 1412 or 15 also. But anyways, as you know, profit's a profit. So once we get the profit, we exit for the day. And how did I pick this stock? So this was one among stock in my radar. Also this one. 2 candles, for example, 2 hours, there was a break. Okay, so over here there was a breakout, and over here also there's a breakout. So based on this breakout, I decided to buy the stock. So I took it in the peak over here, 98, and then next breakout gave my profit. It's a bit riskier, but yes, a lot of experience is required, and whatever I learned from different people, whatever I have practiced, gives me that idea what happens next and what not happens next. So it's not magic, or it's not me guessing. It's all about the experience. It's like sensing that something is gonna happen, and because of these things which I've seen earlier in my past experience, so that things come in mind once again. So based on those experience, that is how traders trade. That's the reason they say you need a lot of experience, or else you need a lot of knowledge. So if you have to get a shortcut of knowledge, you have to go learn from everybody, get trained, get a mentor, all this stuff. I know initially you may think, why should I spend some money to learn from different people or things, but people who learn earlier, or take the shortcut and learn a lot, will definitely be successful, because they are learning, because rest people just put money and they just do gambling. So that is what I would like to highlight in this particular video. And also, if you see, I exited the target. So I exited when I got my profit. So most of what happened, you guys will wait for yesterday's losses or futures losses, or your commitment. Based on your commitment, you wait for the stock to give such profit. But the stock will not move based on your situation, because stock is universal for everyone, right? So when you are fixing a target, fixed practically according to the stock and according to the percentage. So if you see, 8% is almost how much? 5,000 is 10% of 50,000 capital, so 8,000 is more than that. So 10-15% profit, 16-17% profit. So if you're putting in bank also for a year, you get around 7%, right? So getting so much percent is very huge. What I always suggest is put 0.3%. People who do not understand 0.3%, go see my old videos. It's a big magic type thing. People may think 0.3 is very small, but it can make wonder when you make consistent profit of 0.3 throughout your month, right? So hope you guys like such video. please do trade safe. If you're not yet a beginner, don't put your money. I'm sure you'll lose your 100% of money. So these videos are for education purpose. So go and learn, do paper trading and virtual trading. And when you are about to put your money, still don't believe yourself so soon. Put one share, like 100 rupees stock means put 100 rupees, one single share, and test the market when you put money, because don't jump earlier and you may end up losing everything. So put one single share and see the market, how it moves, and learn from it day by day, so that you get a hold why you are trading, and ask yourself a lot of questions. And if you are confident that why it happens and why you did a loss and why you made a profit, that is when you can be more confident and take your own risk. So anyways, thank you so much for watching this video. Please do hit that like, subscribe, and share this video. See you soon in my next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.